Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Kamalia Kurniasari with name 2024-32005. I am an undergraduate student of Information System at PLN Institute of Technology. Okay, so in this video, I will present my practicum project about the history and development of multimedia. And in this presentation, I will explain the content of the article, the structure of HTML, and the use of CSS, and also show the final result of the website that I created. Okay, so first, but before that, I will share screen my project. Okay. Okay, for first explanation, I will explain the content of the article that I made it in here. The article discuss the history and development of multimedia from the past until today. In this um, very first section, we learn about the definition and early development of multimedia. Multimedia is a combination of different types of media such as text, image, audio, video, and animation. At the beginning, multimedia was not used in computers, but in performance like theater, where sound and visuals were combined to create a better experience. And then in the second section, the article explains the development of multimedia over time. Multimedia started to grow rapidly around the late 1980. For example, Apple introduced uh, HyperCard in 1987, and later IBM also developed technologies that supported audio and visual features in computers. And then during the 1990, multimedia became more advanced with the use of digital images, video, and storage media like CDs. Computers were no longer used only for typing or calculations, but also for entertainment and information delivery. And then in the third section, the article explained multimedia in the modern era. Today, multimedia is used in many fields such as education, business, entertainment, and healthcare. And for example, in education, we use videos and animation, and in healthcare, we use technologies like ultrasound and USG, like in this picture. Okay, next, I will explain the structure of the HTML code. Uh, Um, the HTML file starts with the basic structure, including doc type HTML, and then HTML head, and then the body, and then the footer in here. Okay, inside the head section. Under the head section, I added the title of the website and link the external CSS file using in here link rel equal style sheet, and then inside the body I divided the content into several parts like the header, which contains the main title and a short description, and then the main section, which contains three sections of the article. In here, there's the first section, and then in here there's the second section, and then in here there's the last section or the third section, and then the footer. which shows the copyright information, and in here I put my name and my name. Yeah. So each section uses section in here. Using sorry. Each section uses section text, and inside them I used headings H2, and then paragraph use P, and for the list I use UL to organize the content clearly, and then I also added images using the image tag along with captions to explain each image. And then next I will explain about the CSS part. The CSS part in here is written a separate file called style CSS. And then this follows the instruction to separate styling from HTML. First, I style the body by setting the font and the background color. In here, the font I used Arial and sans serif, and for the background color I use like um white white in here. And then I styled the header using a purple gradient background, and then because the instruction requires using a dominant color, and I chose purple because my name is Ed, so that the I use the purple for the color. And then for the sections in here, I used a white background, padding, rounded corners, and shadows to make the design cleaner and more modern. I also styled the headings with a purple color to keep the design consistent. And for the image in here, I added styling to center them, adjust their size, and give them rounded corners and shadows so they look more attractive. And of and here I styled the footer too. For text align is center, I add padding and background color, and for the color is white. Oh yeah, for the background color is like gray old in here. Okay, so overall, the CSS is used to improve the layout, color combination, and visual appearance of the website. And then for the result is in here. This is the final result of my website. As you can see, the website has a clean and simple design with a purple theme. Each section is clearly separated and the content is easy to read too. The image helps support the explanation, and the layout looks neat and organized. This design makes the information more interesting and easier to understand. So um maybe just that I can explain about my practicum project. For the conclusion, this project helped me understand how multimedia has developed over time and how to present information using HTML and CSS. I also learned how to structure a web page properly and design it to make it more visually appealing. Thank you for watching in this video, and I'm very sorry if there's mistakes from my explanation. I hope this presentation is clear and useful, and I close by saying wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.